Hi everyone! Today we are going to draw B-127. Before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you won't miss any of our future drawing videos. And if this video feels a little too fast, you can slow it down using the playback settings in the bottom right corner. Alright, while we draw, let's have some fun facts about B-127. Here's something really cool. B-127 is voiced by Keegan-Michael Key in Transformers 1. He brought a youthful, enthusiastic spin to the character's voice, sharing how this role felt like coming full circle from his childhood love of Transformers. B-127 is actually the original name of Bumblebee, back when he was still a soldier on Cybertron before arriving on Earth. Did you know that in Transformers 1, we'll finally get to see how B-127 began his journey and became the hero we all know as Bumblebee? Fans have been waiting for that story for years. Interesting story. B-127 is one of the youngest Autobots, and his personality is full of curiosity and courage. He's always ready to protect his friends, even when the odds are against him. Fun fact, before he met Optimus Prime, B-127 was already known for being fast, clever, and a little mischievous. That's why many Autobots see him as the spark of their team. Did you know that in most versions of Transformers lore, B-127 loses his voice during battle and communicates through radio clips and songs? That trait became one of the most iconic things about him. interesting detail. In Transformers 1, B-127's design shows a younger and sleeker version of Bumblebee, with sharper lines and glowing blue optics that make him look full of energy. Fun fact, B-127's color scheme has changed over time. In early Cybertron scenes, he's often seen in darker metallic tones before getting his famous yellow armor on Earth. Did you know that at B-127's alternate mode on Cybertron isn't a car? It's actually a Cybertronian hover vehicle built for high-speed scouting missions. Pretty cool, right? Interesting story. In the Bumblebee movie, B-127 is the first Autobot to arrive on Earth, and his mission was to prepare a safe place for the others to follow. That's how the Earth story begins. Fun fact, in Transformers fan communities, B-127 is seen as the heart of the Autobots. His mix of bravery, innocence, and humor makes him one of the most loved characters across every generation.
And we've just finished drawing B-127 together. Oh, and don't forget, you can download the B-127 coloring page from the link in the description below to color it your own way. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next Transformer drawing video. Bye-bye!